story ends. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right.
Come back. So we are going to look at how to insert the watermarks, the page colors, and the page borders. So if you want to insert a watermark, you want to insert the page color or the page borders, all you need to do is go to the design tab. From there, you look at the group called page background. So what are watermarks? So watermark is just a specific information that you put on your document. For instance, you read documents where I say it's confidential, it's a draft. So you are sending a message to someone who is going to be reading your document to say this document is just a draft, or this document is confidential. It's not supposed to be given to any individual. So watermarks are applied to all the pages that you have in the document. So just command on watermarks, and you have options. So you have what says confidential, and they are arranged in two ways. You can have the diagonal one and the horizontal setup. So confidential are of two kinds. So you have confidential 1, confidential 2. But the way they are arranged, you have the one that is diagonal put and the one that is the horizontal designed. Then there is another option that says do not copy, draft, and sample. So depending on the type of a document that you're talking about. So if you want people to find this one as something confidential and you don't want anyone to have a reach on it, you can put confidential. So all you need to do is command confidential. So you are seeing that now the word confidential is placed diagonally on this document. Now if this is not the color that you want, all you need to do is command on the watermark. Then from there you go to custom watermarks. Then you need to command. So as I was saying, we want to change the color of our watermark from this gray to something like red. So just pick on the color red, then this is going to change. Then you have where it says semi-transparent, so you can uncheck if you want, so that you have just a full color. Then from there just say apply. So now we have this type of a color. So we have put that statement, which is the confidential document, and all that is going to be applied to all the pages that you're going to insert on a document. Then if you don't want to use the word confidential, maybe you want to send the message to the readers to say this document has been prepared by me, mean that you're going to put your own name. So in the text row, you just need to delete confidential and type your own name. So once you type in your own name and command apply, it will now change from confidential to your own name. So I'll put up my name, and this is what we are seeing. So that name will be applied to all the documents that I'm going to insert. So if I happen to insert another page, which is page 2, you will see that it's also found on the same page. So our watermarks are applied to all the pages that you're going to come up with. So if you have 10 pages, it's going to be applied to all the 10 pages. So basically that's how you can insert watermarks. As for to design, then you have to find a group called page background. So that's one, we have done that. It's not only a text watermark that you can find, you can also have a picture as a watermark. So we have no watermark and picture watermark. Just choose picture. Then from there we go to select picture, work offline, and choose any picture that you want to insert. So in this case, I've just picked randomly that picture for word. Then command and apply. So now the word is gone because you now are using a picture as watermark. So that picture will be at the back of the text that you are going to type, and it will be applied to all the documents. Then on the same group, we have what you call page colors. So if you want to change the colors of your pages, this is where you go, just command and choose the type of a color you want to apply. And again, all the pages will be changed to black. So you can choose any type of a color that you want. So you have more colors, few effects. So you can choose from this. So you have the texture, you have the pattern, you have the picture. Choose whatever information, color that you want to insert. If it's a picture form, just choose a picture, and that's what you're going to use as a background color. So like this now, you are able to see that I have throughout it's just word. So now that is acting as the page color. So you are also able to use the picture to create it as the page colors. Then you have what we call page borders. So the borders are the ones that surround the pages. Mostly apply borders on the first page. So just command page borders, then you choose the box or any type of a setting that you want. So just choose box for now. Then choose the type of the borders that you want to put around your document, around your first part of your document, which is the first page. So I'll use the arts command on it, then choose whatever art that satisfies your needs. So command on this one, then they are not aligned properly, so you have to work with the width. So just reduce the width to whatever size that makes you happy in terms of the design itself. So in this case, I'm comfortable with that design. Then it's saying apply to whole document, meaning that all the pages of the page are the borders, but this is supposed to be on the first page mostly. So just command on the drop down arrow and choose this section first page only. Then okay. So we have inserted this part of what the page borders. So borders are also very important when it comes to the decoration of the first part of your document. So we have three things: watermarks, the page colors, and the page borders. So basically you'll find them in the design if you're using Microsoft 2019. So I'm currently using Microsoft 2019, and the page backgrounds are found in the design. So thank you very much for your time.